Hey guys, today we're taking a look at this John Deere X485. It was just traded in. We're going to sell it as is. It's got a broken grille, a broken headlight on the inside anyway. Look under the hood and you can see it's broken. The wires don't, got a little frog in there. We don't know how many hours are on this machine. The hour meter is non-functional. None of the gauges work on this machine. So fuel gauge doesn't work, temperature gauge doesn't work, hour meter doesn't work. Differential lock works, the 54-inch deck comes on as it should. Seats in decent shape, the rear tail lights are busted out here. We're missing the cover on this cubby here, and the parking brake lever is broke off. And they have bypassed the seat safety switch. Seat is rusty, and this thing is stuck. It doesn't have the bounce that it's supposed to have. Chute is broken on this one, and one of these front tires, I think it's this one, has a leak in it. Other than that, it starts, it runs, it drives, it mows. It could potentially have other issues. We don't know. We have not gone through this machine. We have not extensively tested this machine. And so we are going to have a lower price on this machine to reflect that. If you have any questions about this machine, if you'd like to take it for a test spin or take it home or anything else, feel free to give us a call at any time. Or you can text us or email us or message us, or comment on the video. All of our contact details are in the information below. Hey, thanks for watching.